Hi, this is Tim with Band Central. I wanted to show you a new feature in version 3.6 called chord diagrams. So let's just go ahead. You can see the version number down here, Band Central 3.6, same here. On the right we have an iPad and on the left we have an Android device. Let's go ahead and look at a song. Let's look at Shooting Star. I'm going to click into this lyric and you'll notice right here it's displaying two different lyrics. So this is just a quick reminder of lyric versions. You can come to here and choose lyric versions. I'm going to click this one and we have the same one. The device on the left is a different user, so they have a different default lyric set for them. So you can see here I have chord diagrams displayed at the top of both these devices. So let me show you where you can manipulate the chord diagrams. So we'll come into the menu in the upper right of the lyrics and we'll say chord diagrams. Right now I have chord summary. It's the same for iOS or the iPad. Whoops, we do want to show the chords. I'm going to show chords. That's different if you see the chords above the lyrics. That's for that. Coming back into here and we're going into chord diagrams. A little bit different view, but the same thing's going on. So just a quick summary here. So the chord summary is what you're seeing. So at the top of your lyrics, you'll see a summary of all the chords. Inline will replace your chords above the lyrics. The bottom strip will have a static strip of chords at the bottom. Top strip will have a static strip of chords at the top. And right panel will have the chords all over here. I'll display those in a minute. And of course we have some other options. You can go with guitar or ukulele. You can see that the ukulele changed here to have 4 strings. We go back to chords there, so that's a pretty neat feature. And for all you lefties out there, we also have that here on Android, so I'm just showing you on the iPad. You can change it to the opposite to have left-handed. So let me go back to the top and let me show you the inline chords. And if I say done with this, I'm going to change this to inline. So now I'm going to act on the iPad only, but you'll see the changes happen over here as well. So now you're seeing the chords above the lyrics with the chord diagrams there. Let's go back to chord diagrams and let me show you the bottom strip. So right here you'll see the chords at the bottom. And you can do the same here on Android. Bottom strip. Let me just show you two. This is where the diagram size comes into play because these can be a little bit small. So maybe you want to blow them up so you can see the diagrams a little bit better. Top strip too. You can see it changes to the top over here. And right panel. You can see we have the right panel. Let me get rid of that menu there. Over here. And again, I'm going to change it from ukulele to guitar. And this is pretty much chord diagrams. But one other nice feature is if you're using ChordPro format, let me actually go back to the chord summary here. Display, chord diagrams. I like the chord summary to have it at the top. We don't need it so big there. One caveat with the chord diagrams is when you're zooming in, this is a little bit more challenging to do on the Android, but you can see that the diagrams zoom in and out too with pinch and zoom. So that's where it changes up a little bit if you're doing the display on here with the diagram size. This will double blow it up, but so you can blow it up with a pinch and zoom or the diagram size. Okay, so now one last thing. I have another version of lyrics here that would show you how to do custom chords. And we are going to go to a different lyric version here. I'm going to go to version 2. So now I have some custom chords here, and if we edit the ChordPro, you can see I have these define blocks, and you can get the syntax for these define blocks if you look up ChordPro, and there's a website out there. I can link it to the video below that will show the voicings for this. You can do ukulele chords. You can see that here. You can do your fingerings. So let's just go ahead and change this to 1, and you'll see this change right here. Let's see here. I didn't pay attention to which one I edited. Sorry about that. Whoops. Let's go back. Let's edit it. Okay, so now on the first one, I'm going to change this to 3. And you can see that this is on number 3. So you can create custom diagrams too. So let me know how you like this feature, if there's anything you need enhanced in this. Maybe the little 1, 2, 3 dots need to be a little bit bigger. Let me know how you're using it. You can download the app in the App Store or the Google Play Store. Just search for Band Central or go to bandcentral.com. Thanks.